Second warm-up exercise for this program is going to be cat-cows. So make sure that your wrists are directly underneath your shoulders, your knees are underneath your hips. Start off with a straight and neutral spine. Inhale, lift the tailbone and the head, arch the back, belly button goes down. Exhale, round through the middle of the back, squeeze the tailbone down, head down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, stretching the shoulder blades and then stretching the abs, keeping the shoulders down. Try not to let the shoulders hunch at all. Try not to let the knees push out to the side too much, keep them squeezed in slightly. And then you can also have some kind of personal artistic expression with this one, depending on the body, see how it feels. Just work through the whole spine. Different shapes and movements are totally welcome and necessary. Just do whatever feels right.